Good morning, families. I just wanted to provide everyone with a little update of our slight schedule change that our kindergarten team has decided to go with in hopes of meeting the needs of our students more appropriately in this virtual learning format. So basically, the changes that are occurring that will be starting this week are just that our shared reading time frame or ELA block. So basically what that means is from the 11 to 11:25 time frame, we will be having a whole group shared reading. And with this whole group shared reading, this will eliminate our group one, group two schedule that we have been following since the start of all of this virtual learning stuff. So basically, they will all log back in after their phonics group at 11 o'clock, okay? And then at 11:30 to 11:55, we will be starting our ELA Centers small group rotation. So, which is great with our amazing staff at Middlesex Elementary, is we do have three adults. It's myself, Miss Pennington, and Miss Danielle that will be with me to provide additional support for all of our kiddos to meet the needs within the virtual learning environment. So that's one of our major big changes that will be starting this week. We also at the bottom within our math, so 2 o'clock to 2:25, we will still be doing our full group math. Okay. Now instead of having that broken up, group one, group two, what we're going to do is at 2:30 to 2:55, we will have two small groups. One of them being they will be split with myself and then also Miss League. Just because that 3 to 3:30 time frame will allow me to have one-on-one support for kiddos, like working on assessment materials and all of that stuff. And plus, just having that long duration of time in the afternoon of like having that little break in between and then logging back in at 3, I'm sure can be a little bit stressful for you guys at home as well. So I'm just going to walk you guys through on the extent of what these changes are going to look like starting today. No need to sweat it. It's okay. So basically with our Monday small group schedule, I'm going to move this down a little bit so you guys can see it. Um, we do have our three adults in our room, three teachers that will be providing support throughout our week-to-week time frame. Now remember, this is only for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, because our Wednesday is going to remain that asynchronous half day. So basically on Monday, the group that I have over here, and this is going to be a group where they will rotate consistently throughout the week. They will be logged in, so like after their phonics, so we'll all have a little break. This group will all log in. And with all of this, even if you have kiddos that log in using this code to come back for like their group one or group two, if your child is using a Baltimore County Public School device or Chromebook, it makes life a whole lot easier for us because we have a program called GoGuardian, which allows us to monitor computers, and it relieves the stress off of parents and kiddos having to log in using a Google Meet code. So with that being said, if they are logging in using their Baltimore County Public School email account, I can just copy a Google Meet link and just paste it into a tab for them if on their computer, and then boom, it directs them directly to that link. And as time goes on, Google Meet is going to be switching um, their whole setting, so they'll allow us to have breakout rooms, but that's not happening just yet. So right now we are still using the Google Meet codes, but we are also using the GoGuardian to assist with that. So basically for today on Monday, this is our ELA schedule. And this is going to be a group with me. It would be over here using the Simonitis room 2. A group with Miss Pennington would be down over here as well, and they would just be using the Google Meet code Pennington room 26. And then Google Meet code for Miss Danielle would just be Mrs. D room 2. Okay, and like I said, this is going to be something that we are going to start this week. And I know some of you may be, a little nervous or, it's a schedule change, but I am very adamant about displaying the visual schedules for our kiddos so they're not going to be taken off guard by any of it. And like I said, if they are using a Baltimore County Public School computer or device, it makes life a whole lot easier just so that way we can have um, the authorization of just connecting them directly to specific Google Meet links. So this is just kind of what our ELA small group schedule for Monday looks like. And again, this is all going to be located within our schedules on our homeroom page. Now, for Monday small group math, like I said, our math time frame is going to be changing. So instead of having group one, group two at 2 o'clock, we will all be meeting as a whole group. And then during that group time frame, they would just be coming in and they can do like here, it would just be Simonitis two, and then Miss League will be pulling kiddos, groups of kids every day throughout the week as well. Again, this is just the most efficient way that we as a team have decided to utilize just additional support in the virtual learning time frame since we do have an abundance of staff available for that. So yay, that's exciting stuff. So just to give you guys some reassurance, I would not sweat any of this. We learn best by doing, and this will be the first day with doing all of this. And even if kiddos are logging in to my code and during a small group time frame, it is okay because I can direct them or connect them to a varying Google Meet by connecting them with a code. So that's pretty much it on the updated schedule home front. Again, if you guys were to have any questions or concerns, please don't ever hesitate to reach out to me with all of that. So again, today we have those 3 ELA small group schedule, and this is going to be consistent throughout our week too, except for Wednesday. Wednesday, we will still be utilizing the same schedule, just not doing like small groups or anything. This is just for our full days that we have together. So that's pretty much it in room 2 of our updates. Like I said, guys, if you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate. I am always here. And yeah, I will see everyone soon. Bye.